If you're not using these free tools for trading meme coins, then you're basically trading blind. Make sure you add all of these tools today to give you that edge. I'm going to go through some of the best web apps with you today, so make sure you're taking notes. Let's get started. Firstly, just want to wish you all a happy Thanksgiving. If you're enjoying the content that I've been sharing recently, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the like button. First one is Dune Analytics, completely free to use. And here what you can do when you come onto the platform. By the way, I'm going to share all of the links below in the description, so don't worry about that. All you do is you go into the search bar and then you can type in something like, for example, meme coins, and you can look at some really good overall stats. So for example, the ones I like to use are tokens launched here, pump fun, daily launches. Stuff like this is very useful to give you a general idea of what the market's like. Like, is there still volume in meme coins? Or are a lot of people just moving off meme coins to altcoins or other crypto? Or is generally crypto going slowly into a bear market? Things like that. So this can be very, very useful. Next one, we're going to discuss some holder analysis software. First one's called Holder Scan. And by the way, as I discuss these, all of these are free at the time of me making this video, but some of them will have a paid version as well. Some of them won't, or some of them might be free right now, but could be paid in future as well. So don't quote me on that. But at the moment, a lot of these are free. And Holder Scan, what you can do with this particular one is you can have a look at the breakdown of holders. For example, if I click on one of these, like I've got Peanut the squirrel here. So on the left hand side here, you can search for it as well in the top left. You can search for any of the top meme coins. But basically, we've got all of the different holder analysis here. For example, how many holders are holding over $10,000 each minimum. All of this is very, very useful to know how many whales there are in a particular meme coin. And you can do lots and lots of analysis on this on holder breakdown as well. Another one I use, which again at the moment has a main free version, is called Jeet Screener. So any of these, for example, if we scroll down to the left here and we click on one, again, we'll go for Peanut again. It can give you general stats, for example, diamond hands, retention rate, holder count, etc. But also as you go through the list, it can give you a lot more information too. So what we can do is we can click on distribution stats, and then it actually breaks down the number of holders by average holding value. And it can even give you, some versions of this particular tool can give you how many of the top 10 or top 25, for example, have sold in the last 24 hours or more. So very, very useful when it comes to holder analysis. This is more for medium to longer term investments. Next, Lunar Crush. I've shared this actually before. I don't use it as much now, but it can be useful to give you a general idea of Twitter, so X and other social media sentiment when it comes to certain meme coins or certain narratives. So definitely check this out. I'll also link it below. But for low market cap coins for swing trading, it's not terribly useful. Next, you know how sometimes you're on Twitter and you can feel when there's a new narrative bubbling or forming or something that's new trending? Well, it basically quantified with Kaito AI. So it gives you a very good idea of Mindshare. It could be for altcoins, it could be for meme coins as well, or even just influencers that are becoming more popular. So it can give you an idea of the relative strength there too. Again, I definitely wouldn't use it for any kind of low market cap coins. And it is, this particular one is paid software and it is expensive. But if you're interested in taking your trading to another level, it's definitely one to consider. Next one, I'm going to throw in here some newer tools. For example, this one is called cookie.fun. Again, I'll link it below. And this one gives you an AI agents index. AI agents are very much trending at the moment and very likely is going to be a growing meta as we go forward. And narrative as we get more and more volume coming into this, because this is very related to the newest technology when it comes to AI. So a lot of these agents are getting better and better in terms of their responses, their trading analysis, or whatever else they've been assigned to do. And you get an idea of the mindshare here on social media. And the ones that generally perform better will have more mindshare, more engagement. And you can keep an eye on this because there's always going to be new ones hopping onto this particular list as well. In terms of general charting software, the main ones I use, as you've seen, is Dex Screener. Dex Screener covers all of the main blockchains. And it's not only Solana and Base, for example. You have smaller blockchains as well, where there are coins launched all the time. You've even got things like Cardano here. Obviously, you've got Avalanche here as well. So if you click on to any of these, and click apply, you can get an idea of the overall volume in that particular market here at the top, and then the best coins. And you can easily sort this by, for example, volume traded in the last 24 hours, etc., and research it more. Previously, I used things like dextools.io, which you can still use. I'm just more familiar with DexScreen and I find it more useful and easier to use, but this is still a good one as well. And then there are newer ones. For example, one I've been using a lot over the last month is called define.fi. This has many like unique points, but one of the main ones I use it for is, let's say I take this coin, for example, which is a new coin trending at the moment called Max. Now with this particular one, if I want to go back like in time and just click on a candle just to find out who was buying then. So if I click on, let's say, a 5-minute chart, and I scroll back here and I was like, who's buying the dips here? Who's really sharp here? And I click on the candle. If I scroll down, it will actually just filter those exact transactions at that exact time, which is really cool. And then I can filter here more as well, for example, by the amount they bought and lots of other things. So stuff like this really gives you a massive edge. For example, when it comes to researching other wallets, or for example, when it comes to just researching as to whether a coin makes sense in terms of dip buying or swing trading. A quick mention on trading software as well. So again, in this video, I'm just concentrating on web apps. I've got loads and loads of Telegram bots I use as well. I'm going to discuss that in a future video. So again, don't forget to subscribe. So this is BullX, which I use mainly for lower market cap coins, and very useful. And they're going to be releasing a new version very soon called Neo, which will have a lot of extra features as well. So again, keep an eye out on my channel for updates on that. But very easy web app to use. The other ones I use, which again I've discussed many times on the channel, especially for larger cap meme coins, is Photon. Again, really good software, especially for putting limit orders and stuff like that. And at the moment, for additional stuff like checking for rugs, also for copy trading as well, following accounts and wallets that are doing well, GMGN. I recently did a very in-depth overview of GMGN. You'll find that on my channel as well. So when you get a chance, make sure you check that out. Next, wallet trackers. So Cielo is one of the best to use. Very useful. So here, either you can actually find a wallet yourself and search for it here, or you can look at, again, what's trending in terms of wallets, which ones have the biggest P&Ls, and you can look at their activity. You can see what they have in their portfolio at the moment. You can also have a look at their token P&L or even NFTs, if they've been trading NFTs as well. Now this is BubbleMaps V2, and only a few people have access to this, and I'm luckily one of those who is actually beta testing this at the moment. This is going to be very useful, especially for like slow rugs, because sometimes when a team have been very smart with the way they've accumulated, it can get a little bit tricky to pick this up, especially if you're a brand new trader and you see the coin run to 10 million or 20 million in market cap. You automatically might assume, well, it's perfectly safe because so many thousands of holders have actually traded it, but not always so. So this can be one of the very early warning signs. And like I said, I'll keep you updated on my channel about this when this is live for public access as well. They do have a V1 version, which is now actually integrated in a lot of different charting softwares and trading web apps as well, like for example, BullX, Photon, etc. Finally, just want to mention my Black Friday sale for Memecoin Mastery is ending very soon. So I actually go through all of these tools comprehensively on the training, including the exact filter setups and which data points are actually useful and which ones are not useful. That's what can help pick up some of these coins really early in their moves, especially the ones that run to hundreds of millions. So first link in description if you're interested. There are a lot of other web apps as well. Most, to be honest, if I've not found it useful, I don't usually tend to share, but please comment below if you've come across any web apps particularly recently. And if I think it will help the community here on YouTube, I'll be more than happy to share a kind of deep dive into that particular web app as well. Thanks for listening.